Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore and I want to welcome you to my course entitled OneNote for Law Students. Does your notebook look like this? Stick around and maybe I can convince you to move to a more modernized, cloud-based, efficient approach to keeping all of your course notes for all of your courses this semester all in one place that instantaneously syncs to your cell phone, your laptop, your desktop, and to the cloud to your online version. So now in part 2, I'm going to show you how to create your new notebook and how to create new sections, pages, and subpages for your law school notebook. And in part 3, I'm going to show you how to use the OneNote screen clipper and how to insert files and printouts so that you can insert your course syllabus and other documents into your semester notebook for your various law school courses. I'm going to show you how to use the Office Lens to scan quick images of pages of books using your cell phone and how to save them in your cell phone version of your OneNote notebook and immediately sync them instantaneously to all other versions. Okay, so I am on my study page, my parole evidence study page in my OneNote Law Student Notebook here. And let's just say I am in the library and I found some information that I want to make a copy of. Instead of actually having to go to the copy machine and make a copy of this page, I can scan this page using Office Lens on my cell phone. And so you will go to your Office Lens app on your cell phone. Obviously, first you want to download this app to your cell phone. And also you want to make sure that you download the OneNote app as well. And you go ahead and you go to your Office Lens. And then you can take a photograph in Office Lens photograph of this page. Now I would want to go ahead and just edit it just a little bit, and you see how it lets you conform it to the actual page shape. And so I'm going to go ahead and click done. In part 5, I'm going to show you how to use the OneNote dictation tool and how to use the OneNote audio recorder tool. Now this all sounds like a lot of fun, right? So let's get started.